In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to solve derivatives with the chain rule in Python. So we're going to start off here by doing from SymPy, import sine, tan, symbol, and diff. Run that, and we can come down to a new line. So we're going to do x equals symbol, and we're going to do quote x. I think I was using symbols in previous tutorials, but you can use symbol as well. They're both interchangeable. They do the same thing. And now we're going to define our first function. So this is going to be x squared, and we could do plus 5. Now we could come down and we could do f equals sine g. So essentially this function will now be inside of sine. I could have also just passed it through here, but for simplicity, I just defined it to a variable. Now we can do diff f comma x, and we could run that. Now here you can see we get 2x cosine x squared plus 5. Now, while if you do know the rules of differentiation, you could have did this in your head, but for more complex problems, you could still do the same notation. I'll do another example with tangent. So we could do f equals tan g. And now we can come down and do diff fx and run it again. And now you can see we get our answer. This is really helpful as things get more complex. Like for example, we could just pass through another sine here. And now you can see it computes it with no problem. Now that'll be all for chain rule in Python, and I hope that helps.